Rain battered the window as Claire stared at the antique typewriter she'd bought that morning. It sat silent until the keys began to clack on their own. She froze, watching as words formed. "Don't turn around." Her breath caught. The next line appeared, relentless. "He's behind you." Heart pounding, she spun to face the empty room. Relief flickered until the typewriter resumed. Too late. Cold fingers closed around her throat, invisible but crushing. As her vision faded, the final message typed itself. She never listened. The room fell silent, save for the slow, mocking tap of a single key.